Hello, how's it going? This is William Game 1775 and I'm doing an unboxing review from a package bought through Amazon.com, and of course I ordered it Prime, as you can see on the package, because who wants to wait days for their stuff? So let's get on with the video. First, let's observe the box. It looks good here on top, feels good on the sides. I can hear something and feel something rattling inside. I hope that's not a bad sign. But the box looks pretty good overall. Now, I know what's in here, and I'm wondering if the other product, there might be another product in here. But let's find out. So it appears there's only one product in here, and I believe I ordered this, was it yesterday? Okay, the things in here should be pretty durable. Alright, so there's no other packing. It looks like the product fit inside the box perfectly, but I think they should have added some packing in there so it wouldn't move around so much. Alright, so let's look at it. Looks good. I don't see any dents. There's a brand name. There is a shrink wrap around the product. Looks intact. Okay, let's go ahead and open this up. So it appears this is exactly what I ordered. This is a circular hole saw because I have some projects coming up that involves some of my tech projects. By the way, you can find me on YouTube at William Game 1775. That's Will, the letter M, Games 1775. Folks, that's all I have. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.